About this item: protective sneeze guard. Create a protective wellness barrier to safeguard public-facing employees with this premium acrylic sneeze guard. Used to prevent the spread from respiratory droplets and splashes. Designed with smooth rounded edges for security. 0.2 inch thick clear acrylic. This sneeze shield is crafted from deluxe 0.25 mm thick acrylic that is extra sturdy, completely clear, and easy to see through. High quality construction means no warping or distortion that can affect vision and cause dizziness. Dimensions: 31.5 x 23.6. Convenient cutout design. The desk sneeze guard features a convenient cutout, 11.8 wide x 3.9 high, at the bottom for secure transactions. Easily pass small documents, cash, bank cards, pin pads and receipts through without making contact. Lightweight, impact resistant and easy to clean. Easy tool free assembly, no tools required. 3 pieces fit together creating a sturdy, non-slip base. Place multiple sneeze guards side by side to create a continuous barrier of protection for longer countertops, or arrange 3 or more around office cubicles. Wipe down and sanitize with ease. Versatile multipurpose use. The safety of businesses and employees is our priority.